Have you ever noticed this area? Every time you get in or out of the car, your keys, fingernails, and bag straps constantly rub against it. Over time, the door cup slowly fills with fine scratches, often without you even realizing it. By the time most owners notice, it's not easy to restore the original finish. The door cup is one of the most frequently used areas on a car, yet it's also one of the most commonly overlooked. That's why we filmed this video. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to properly install PPF on the door cup, step by step. This helps prevent scratches and wear and keeps this high contact area clean and well protected for the long term. The process isn't complicated at all, making it ideal for car owners who want to DIY or take preventive protection seriously. Thoroughly clean the area to remove dust, oil, and other contaminants. A clean surface is essential for proper adhesion. Remove the backing liner from the film and evenly spray slip solution on both the door handle cup and the adhesive side of the PPF. This allows the film to move freely for accurate positioning. Carefully position the film, then use a small squeegee to push out excess solution and air from the center outward. Use a clean microfiber towel to wipe away excess solution, check for any remaining moisture or small bubbles, and adjust if needed. And if you don't want to remove the door handle, you can still get great results by following the steps shown in this video. That's it. Just follow these simple steps to complete the door cup defense film installation. Protecting these small, often overlooked details can make a big difference in keeping your vehicle looking great during everyday use.